Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Palmpay account permanently. So this is what it looks like. This is your Palmpay account. Now, if you go to your home, finance, reward, me, or even your profile, unfortunately, you cannot see an option delete permanently or delete your account. So this is your profile, and even if you scroll down here, you cannot see that delete permanently option. So what we're going to do here is to look for the customer service option or feature here to reach with their customer service. Okay, so here what you're going to do is to click this customer service, tap this one. It will take you directly to this. Now here you will have your option. We have here FAQ, and then you can ask some questions here related to your concern. But what we're going to do now is to scroll down and tap this customer service that is beside suggestion. So here you will have your option on how to reach their customer service representative. You can chat them, you can call them, or you can email them. So first, what we're going to do is to tap this chat now, and we're going to message them about our concern that we want to delete our account permanently on Palmpay. So this is what it looks like. They will ask this question. This is an automated question or answer, I guess. And then what we're going to do is to simply message them. For example, please, I would like to delete my Palmpay account permanently. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click send and wait for them to respond to your concern. So here, if you tap this email, okay, you can send them email. If you want to send an email and you don't want to chat them, then you can simply tap this support at palmpay.com and it will take you directly to your Gmail or email account. Then here you can compose a message, okay, your email address, their email address, your subject if you want, but this one is optional. Everything is up to you. Now message them that please help me. I want to delete my account on Palmpay permanently. So this one is an urgent. So I really need your urgent or immediate action to this, something like that. And then tap send. Now, if you go back and click this call option, then you can call them directly. One of their customer service representatives will answer you and will take an action to your concern. Okay, so these are the methods and how to delete your Pompey account permanently. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.